Hello friends, welcome to Money Trend channel. In this video, I will show you how to pick the colors from Asian Paints app, which is available in the Play Store or App Store. You can download it and you can select the colors easily. Okay, why we need to waste the time? Just get into the video. First, you need to go App Store, in Play Store, and type Asian Paints app. You'll find this app, Colors with Asian Paints. Once you install it, because already I installed, I'm not getting install app, I'm getting open app. So I installed it, I'm opening this app. Okay, observe carefully guys. This is very nice app. You can choose the colors, you can pick the colors, you can even select your walls, and you can virtually paint your walls. And after that you can finalize. Once you finalize, you can go to any hardware shops and you can inform these colors I want, because you'll find the color codes along with that. So if you show to that color to the hardware shop, they will give you that colors. You can paint on your walls. This is fantastic app developed by Asian Paints. I must recommend each and everyone. Those who are painting walls, they wanted to test new colors, how the walls looks like. Everything you can find it in this app. So I request everyone, those who wanted to paint, please go through this app and don't check your walls. Choose your colors according to your interface, according to your interest, according to your family interest. So why we need to waste? Let's get into the Asian Paints app. How we need to choose the colors. Here, look at, this is the interface of Asian Paints app. Here we have different segments like textures, wallpapers, colors, stencils. Fine. Sorry guys. uh, if you click on colors icon, you'll find plenty of colors here available. So look at here. So for example, if you choose this color, ash gray UV details, you'll find that code also. You can directly show this code to the this code in any hardware shops available near to your location. You'll find those colors. So look at here. Just a minute guys. Look at different shades, different colors. Steel gray, crusade in 684. Look at the color code, it is available. So you have plenty of colors you can choose. And if you look at, we are going into the pink colors patterns. Look at, we have couple of 3304 shades in pink color. You can choose, you can choose any colors. You can choose any colors according to your interest. You have scenario wise, you have already painted walls available. You can choose according to your interest. Look at guys, plenty of colors along with the code details. Not only this, look at here. Go to the textures. Here we have list of available texture pictures. You can pick any one and look at the details. You'll find, if you wanted to if you wanted to same colors, you need to paint your walls. You can choose the same colors. Available codes available here. If you take any picture, you'll find all the code details. Metallic seashell. So everything you'll find, not only textures. You can choose stencils also. Okay, we'll go to the wallpaper section. Here you'll find list of wallpapers. You can choose as per your convenience. Wood texture. Here we'll find code. Look at, this is the codes. You can directly go to any hardware shops and you can choose them. You can inform them, this is what I want. Definitely you'll get these kind of products very easily. And not only this, if you go to you'll find stencils also. So look at, we have plenty of stencils available, which is border and ceilings, all over, nature, ethnic, theme based, geometric. So look at, in border we have different patterns available. You can choose according to your interest. So for example, take this one, you'll find the codes, colors with the stencil design. So for example, take this ribbon one, you'll find the color code along with both the color codes along with the stencil design. If you go to this one all over, you'll find all color codes and stencil design. So it's very easy guys, very easy and very easy to navigate. I request everyone, please go through this app once. Even if you wanted to customize your paints, so for example you wanted to pick your walls, just go to this and go to the Asian Paints, choose any pick according to your wall. For example, I'm picking this color. You can paint virtually, and if you fix that color, you can paint on your walls very easily. For example, look at this, I'm showing for you. I'm taking this color, I'm taking this color, I'm showing to you. Okay, we got this color. Again, if you wanted to do you wanted to keep some stencils, go to stencils category. I'm picking this color. Which color? Just a minute guys. Fine, I'm doing this. We got this stencil. This is not, I'm not liking this one, so I wanted to change once again. Just a minute guys. I'm taking this stencil, I'm applying stencils. So choose stencils according to your interest. For example, take this one, so you'll find good stencils here. This is a design. You can virtually figure it out whether these designs and this color and these stencils are working or not. So according to your interest, you can choose the stencils. So I request everyone, this is a great app. uh, you can download it. So for example, this one, look at this design, this is I designed myself. This is the color code with the stencil design. So this is very easy to communicate, it's very easy to paint, select your paints. That is what I would like to tell you guys. Those who wanted to paint your walls virtually and check how it will look, this is a great app. The app name is Colors with Asian Paints, which is available in Play Store. So I request everyone, please go through once, and if you like it, please download it, and virtually you can paint your walls very easily. That's it guys. I hope you like this video. In case if you like this video, please subscribe to Manatech channel, and please share it with your friends, those who wanted to paint their walls. Thank you guys, happy watching.